Are you ready to catch fire?
Every child of God is specially called to represent God and manifest His glory here on earth. Preach the gospel. In 2 Kings chapter 5 verse 3, we could see an Hebrew girl preaching about the God of Israel in a strange land. Anyone who wants to become a Christ ambassador must be a soul winner, as we have in Matthew chapter 28 verse 19. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations. Jesus commanded us to go into the world and preach the gospel. The duty of a Christ ambassador is evangelism. We are all called to represent Christ in this sinful world. We must live a life that brings glory to God, as that of Samuel, Daniel, Timothy, and host of others in the Bible. May God help us all in Jesus' name.